Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Okay, so we're comparing the Philips 5400 LatteGo Espresso Machine and the KitchenAid Fully Automatic Espresso Machine. First impressions?
Well, the KitchenAid is definitely the pricier option at $1,199 compared to the Philips at $799. But, it's also newer. The Philips is a renewed model from late 2023, while the KitchenAid came out in January 2024.
Right, and the KitchenAid is noticeably heavier, almost 40 pounds compared to the Philips 18.5 pounds. That's a big difference. It seems like the KitchenAid boasts a durable, metal-clad construction, which probably accounts for the weight.
Yeah, and it looks like the KitchenAid offers more drink options, 15 recipes versus the Philips 12. Plus, the Philips is described as renewed, which usually means it's been refurbished.
Good point. The Philips does highlight its LatteGo system for milk frothing and its easy cleaning. It's got a 12-step grinder adjustment and ceramic grinders that should last for 20,000 cups, which is pretty impressive. It also emphasizes how easy the LatteGo system is to clean.
The KitchenAid has a removable bean hopper, which is handy for switching beans. It also features automatic smart dosing for the grind. And it comes with a touchscreen interface that the Philips doesn't seem to have.
True. The Philips has a simpler, intuitive display with buttons. Simpler could be better for some people, and the Philips does let you customize aroma and volume.
The customer reviews are pretty similar. Both have good ratings. People seem to find both easy to use and clean. The KitchenAid reviews mention some users wanting the coffee hotter, though.
Okay, so if you're looking for a more budget-friendly, easy-to-clean option with a good reputation, the Philips is solid. But if you want a newer machine packed with features, a metal build, and don't mind paying more, the KitchenAid is probably the better choice.
And if counter space is a concern, the KitchenAid is also a bit deeper, so something to consider.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.